two boys was at me at Kroger's. I mean, like, I was just getting some mac and cheese. Kroger's, Kayla.
Just literally ran into Ludacris. I'm like, I didn't even know it was him at first. He looked so good in person. Oh my God. This lady was like,
I'll show mine if you show your. I can't help it.
Kayla, what is you doing?
Why baby gonna get busty? Busty? She smelled good, but I was smelling nothing. I was smelling nothing.
Ended up with my caramel frap. Kayla have
mango, pineapple, so they don't have my strawberry banana, which I'm upset about. But anyway, cheers.
Cheers. Kobe got that fresh cut. Fresh cut.
But mine's a little bit out of place. Big mouth Kayla. Hey, big mouth. Oh, Kayla though. Y'all, this is my song. Sierra did it.
What? What?
I said, I talked funny. Come on, no.
I know, like, what is going on?
My allergies messing up me. Why you put me up?
Tell him, girl.
One ball yesterday.
No, not me.
Can't get that over me.
Yeah, tell Future girl, tell him.
I got it, but I want.
No, Keeson ain't. Really, Keys? Really?
I'm bored too. I'm watching them.
Okay. Lord have mercy. This girl.
It's soft. I'm sorry, it's soft. Not here.
Kayla, really? See what? It's hot, ain't it? I told you it was hot. She trying to eat these skins. Watch this.
A light-skinned boy came walking past me and he was just staring. I'm like, I'm ratchet. What you staring at? Like, my hair? But now, honey, he was looking at me.
Why are you still trying to eat it, Heaven, and it's hot? Look
My
at
mouth is burning.
So guys, I was trying to get a picture with him, you know, take one with him, but he was really low key and he was trying to hurry up and get to his car because everybody was like, you know, running up to him and stuff. So I was like, dang.
I found peace of the purest kind. And your love, it shines.
I'm trying not to laugh, but I can't help it. This girl's stupid. You are so dumb. I knew you were gonna stop. Really, Kobe?
It's like mad cute, you guys. I love this little color. What the color is it?
Fuchsia?
NYX?
No, Mac.
Oh. Yeah, if I was a Christian, now I would look at the club. I did.
No. Kayla about to do karaoke. No. Start over. Start over. The bark. It's at the very top. You got to record something or take a picture first. Heaven, are you gonna act right? Heaven, are you gonna act right? Why you jump in the picture? You better be glad I wasn't taking a picture.
Hey, if you get some mac and cheese, you know you popping. And I was looking ratchet that day, so I was popping while looking ratchet. You gotta pop right looking ratchet. This is the whole point, girl. That's the whole point. Ruff. Ruff, ruff.
You can last forever. Come on, baby.
One more time.
The moral of the story, you guys, pop while looking ratchet. You gotta pull while looking ratchet, okay? You gotta pull from left, right, straight, back while looking ratchet. hashtag be goofy like me. You'll get somebody there.
But you don't have nobody, Kyle.
I be pulling everywhere I go.